Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So here's a quick tour of the Vintage Coach Dinky Bag, style number 9375. This bag was made in the original New York City factory sometime in the 1980s, and as you can see, it's in this beautiful red color. And it has a brass turn lock closure here, so here's how you'd open and close the bag. Here's a close-up photo. Here's a close-up look at the front of the bag. Here's what the sides look like again, and then here's the back. And then I'll open the bag again and show you the interior. So here's the interior. The bag does have one zip pocket on the inside. So here's that pocket, and then the creed is stamped back there as well. Here's a close-up photo so you can see the creed. So that is the Dinky bag in this beautiful red color, and this bag is available now in our online store. So the link to the bag will be in the description box, as well as links to follow us on social media, as well as to join our email list. That will all be below in the description box. But otherwise, thanks for watching, take care, and see you next time.